Hi everyone, my name's Josh Slater. I'm also known as Blacksy Grace from the horror punk psychobilly band The Hangmen. I've been playing drums for about 21 years, give or take. I've used all the drumsticks. I've used a Head, Promark, Vic Firth, Scorpion, but I decided to switch to Collision, and I can't say I'm disappointed. They're absolutely fantastic sticks, extremely well balanced, very high quality, extremely durable. I use them all the time, like when I'm on the road, when I'm in the studio at rehearsals. They're absolutely fantastic. I use these, the 5A standards. I absolutely love them. I would recommend any drummer to try these out. I swear to God, you will not be disappointed. Not only are the drumsticks extremely durable and very well made, they feel absolutely great, very well balanced, very responsive. Just really, really good. If I knew about them sooner, I definitely would have used them a lot sooner. But it's not just the drumsticks either. Collision, their company is next level. They're all like, it doesn't matter where I am, whether I'm in the UK or Europe. I know for a fact I could pick up the phone and I'd get through to them straight away. And if I had any issues, they'd sort it out there and then. No messing around. Another thing about them as well is they just support any level of drummer, whether you're just starting out, whether you're a full touring musician. It doesn't matter what level you're at. They're there straight away. They'll support you all the way. They cater for everything, all different styles of drummers, all different styles of music. They've got loads of different styles of drumsticks and all the rest of it. They're just absolutely great. I would highly recommend Collision to any serious musician out there. I swear to God, you will not be disappointed. I'm really proud to work with Collision.
Thank you.